Good evening, everyone. My name is Sierra, and I currently live in Glens Falls, New York. I live in an apartment with my mom and my dog, Rocky. This is my second year at SUNY Adirondack, and I'm currently taking all my courses online as a full-time student. I find that taking online courses are much easier for me because it fits in with my schedule and I'm able to take care of my dog. I'm taking this course because it's needed towards my degree, and I'm hoping that I'm able to become a better speaker in public and in general when I'm speaking to a person. I'm taking two courses that require videos. This is one of the courses that require videos, and I'm also taking a chemistry course that requires me to do videos. So hopefully, as the semester progresses, I'm able to become better, as I said. My first year, I did all online courses, and I found it to be easier, and I found it to be a lot better, and I did really well. So I figured if I did my second year all online, then I would also have the same results. In high school, I didn't really like going, so I didn't do that well. So I'm hoping as I continue doing online courses, I still have the same results and am able to do just as well as what I've been doing. Um, After I'm done with this degree, I plan to transfer to SUNY Plattsburgh and continue the liberal arts degree and hopefully find a career. I want to be a psychologist one day, so hopefully as I continue my education, I'm able to fulfill that path that I want to take.